Hot topics in California law and ethics. Accepting gifts in private practice. The ACA Code of Ethics on Accepting Gifts. Receiving gifts. Counselors understand the challenges of accepting gifts from clients and recognize that in some cultures, small gifts are a token of respect and gratitude. When determining whether to accept a gift from clients, counselors take into account the therapeutic relationship, the monetary value of the gift, the client's motivation for giving the gift, and the counselor's motivation for wanting to accept or decline the gift. Neither CAMFT nor the NASW have any specific standards that mention gift giving. What might you be considering about thinking about accepting gifts? So first is the intent of the gift giver. Is the client trying to influence your feelings about them? If you accept the gift, may it change your thoughts about the client? What's the value of the gift, both monetarily and emotionally? How might the client react if you refuse the gift? And how often has the client given you a gift? Is it a frequent occurrence, or is it something that happens around the holidays or termination? So when is it okay to accept gifts? If it is a small or token gift, like a homemade card or some flowers, it's generally almost always okay. If it's at a termination, meeting, or during a holiday, again, that's generally considered okay. If you deem rejecting the gift will cause greater harm than accepting it, then you should accept the gift. And if by refusing it you would violate cultural norms, then again, you should accept the gift. When should you decline a gift? If accepting the gift is going to change your view of the client and or change the relationship, you should decline. If the client is giving you a gift because you've not set clear professional boundaries and they're treating you as a friend, you should decline the gift and you need to address the boundary issues. If you have the power to make decisions that will affect the client, such as a custody evaluation, you should never accept the gift. If the gift is sexual or romantic in nature, you should decline the gift. And if the gift is racist, sexist, homophobic, transphobic, or in any other way offensive, you should turn down the gift. So what about you as a therapist giving the client a gift? Again, there's fine lines here. With children, it's generally considered acceptable to give them a small gift when they terminate therapy. With an adult, you want to examine your reasons for giving the gift in the same manner you would if you were receiving the gift. And again, the timing there is important. A gift at termination is considered more acceptable. Giving an educational gift such as a book is generally going to be considered acceptable. What if you need to turn down a gift? Well, first, you want to express gratitude for the thought behind it. You want to gently explain the reason that you can't accept the gift, such as the value of it or an agency policy. You want to give the client the space to discuss their feelings about you refusing the gift, but you also want to make sure not to overprocess it. Some clients may want to just move on. Other things to keep in mind. You want to make sure you're aware of the cultural differences between you and your client so you can take those into considerations when you're thinking about accepting a gift. You're probably going to have different boundaries with children clients than with adult ones. Each gift should be evaluated for acceptance, and universal policy can cause hurt. And accepting small gifts can add to the therapeutic relationship in a positive way under many circumstances. As far as gift from others, you want to make sure you never accept a gift for referrals. That is definitely considered unethical. And also, it doesn't affect therapists as much, but being mindful of any gifts from some place such as a pharmaceutical company, because they may give small gifts like pens, or they may give big gifts like CEU trips, and you don't want anything like that to influence your work with your clients. Again, it doesn't affect talk therapists as much as it does doctors. All right, once again, we're at the end of the video, and thanks for learning more about the ethics of accepting gifts in private practice.